Hello, my name's Christopher, and today I'm going to show you how to connect two Dockages together and makes it to where you can manage two Dockages from one panel. And it's really neat, so I'm going to show you in this video. So, a little bit about this is I'm going over Home Lab, turn installing things, getting things set up, everything like that. So, if you're interested in that, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel, and let's get started. I wanted to let y'all know about the Big Bear community. We just launched a community on community.bigbeartechworld.com. It's based on discourse, so go on there, join it, and say hi. So let's get back to your registered programming. So a Dockage is to where you can manage your Docker containers and use Docker Compose to compose Docker containers together. And it's a really nice UI. It's a minimalist UI other than like Portainer. A Portainer lets you manage everything possible, and Dockage lets you manage Docker Compose, networks, and different things like that. I think it's a really nice UI. It's got a long way to go, but it's slowly adding more and more features. In 140 right here, they added multiple agent support, and that means that you can have a primary Dockage instance, and then be able to manage the other Dockage instances that you have. So, so if we go over to releases right here, and we look for 140, it's right here. So this is what it would look like. It just installs the Docker agents on the other instances. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get that all set up and rolling. So I wanted to let you know about the Big Bear Club. You can join it, and it greatly supports this channel, and I very much appreciate it. So if you'd like to join the Big Bear Club, you can go down the YouTube description and go to my Ko-Fi link and join it from there. So let's get back to registered programming. So I'm going to start on my Dockage. I have this Dockage, which is the main one, and then I have the secondary. So I'm going to go into the agent over here, and I'm going to put in here the secondary Dockage that I have. So HTTP, and then the IP to get to that Dockage, and then 5001 is the port. Now this is the username and password that you use to log into your secondary Dockage. And then now once you put the username and password in, you can just say connect. Now we are officially connected and agent added successfully. So we can go into Compose over here, and then we're going to put a stack name of Nginx stack in. And then now I'm going to go down here, Dockage agent right here. I'm going to go to the secondary one, and it says it's online, so it's good to go. So now everything else should be good. So we can just deploy it to the secondary Dockage now, deploy. And then now you can see an IP down here of the LAN IP, and then 5001. So you can see that this did deploy on the secondary Dockage. So now you can go into the port, and you can see Nginx, and we are on the secondary Dockage now. So we're managing everything from the primary, and then this is the secondary. So we got it connected. So now you can manage multiple stacks on different servers with Dockage and one panel. So I think this is a really neat feature, and it brings Dockage even further. If you like this tutorial, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel. And if you have any video suggestions or you need community support, you can go down the Big Bear community and join our forum. There's a link in the YouTube description. So stay tuned for more.